Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am on my period and I thought that I would test out a menstrual cup for the first time. I bought this yesterday and I have been wanting to try a menstrual cup for the longest time. So I thought, why not just share my experience of it with you? So before I get into it, the reason why I wanted to try menstrual cups is just because I've used tampons for years and years, and about 6 months ago I switched from regular tampons to organic tampons because I was reading up on all of the nasties that are in tampons and it just put me right off them. Like the bleach that's used to make them white, the pesticides, all of that nastiness, and the fact that when you pull a tampon out it will leave fibres behind in your body and you just don't want all that nasty stuff in your body. Well, I didn't anyway, so I did switch to organic cotton tampons. But I just wanted to try something different that's more sustainable and better for the environment. Obviously, if you're using tampons, like, they've got to go somewhere. There's so much plastic packaging used with tampons these days and they're expensive as well. If you're buying tampons or pads like every time you get your period, it does soon add up. So one of these, I mean, they're on average about £20. So within a few months, you've kind of made your money back anyway. And I just feel like it's a great cost-effective way, if it works, to manage your period. And I've been watching so many reviews online from people who say they absolutely love these, and I've wanted to try one for ages, so that is what I'm gonna do today. And I thought I would bring you guys along on my journey with me. So I'm gonna rewind and take you back to this morning before I had my makeup on and everything, and take you through my experience. So we're rocking this angle again. Do excuse my face, I'm blaming my period for that. So today I'm going to be trying out the Intimina Lily Cup One. I bought this yesterday, so I've just had a shower and I'm just gonna pop this in. I have never used one of these before. A little bit nervous, not gonna lie. So they do different sizes of these. This is the Lily Cup One, like I said, which is the perfect starter cup apparently. It's petite, comfy, and collapsible. That's what we want. It comes with a little thing that you can yank it out with. Does look like it might be slightly uncomfortable, but I don't like the look of those ones that just have a tiny little stalk, because I'm like, no, that's probably getting lost forever. Like, how do you even get those out? I like that it's got something that you can pull. And then this one also comes with a little carry case, which is literally like the size of a lip balm, and you can collapse this apparently. How do you do that then? Okay, so you just, I mean, come on now. Oh, this is what we do. Okay, so it just presses down. Oh, should I read the instructions? Probably. Oh, there we go, there we go. It's pressed down. Okay, cool. So I'm not currently wearing anything. I'm slightly worried that I'm about to bleed on the bathroom floor. Sorry if that's TMI. So I guess I'm just gonna try and pop this in. So you're meant to do like a little like fold like that. Bit scared, not gonna lie. So this says on the back, Lily Cup One is the most comfortable and easy to use cup for newbies. Its petite shape, leak proof double rim and easy removal loop make periods a breeze from start to finish. Made of ultra smooth medical grade silicone, you won't feel a thing while it collects your menstrual flow for up to 12 hours. This eco-friendly tampon alternative even collapses into a case the size of a lip balm for go-to anywhere protection. And this is supposed to cover light to heavy flow as well. I can't actually believe I'm doing this on camera. That's a bit much, like, innit? Wait a second. Oh my god, it's not going in, man. Oh, Howie. Oh, no, no. It's going, it's going. Ow. What the f? I don't think my fingers are long enough. I'm so confused. Okay, we've just put it in. Was a little bit difficult, but it did go in. But now I'm covered in blood. Brilliant. Also, if periods freak you out, I don't know why you're watching this video, but like, just click off now because I'm gonna go into detail. I'll start by saying I am on day 2 of my period, which is my heaviest day. I start off light, get heavier, go lighter again. So I didn't find it that easy to put in, I won't lie. Like, I found it a little bit tricky. I had to definitely like push it up there, which I guess is to be expected. It was messy, not gonna lie. My legs were covered in blood. So, I mean, it's fine because I'm just at home in my bathroom. I can clean myself up. Not quite sure how I would do that if I was out and about. That could be a bit awkward. It's not like with a tampon where you just pop it up there and you're done. Like, you've got to get your fingers up there as well. So obviously you're gonna get your hands messy. I can't really feel it when I'm standing still, but when I move, it feels like I've got a balloon in my vagina. It's really bizarre. It's not particularly uncomfortable, but I can just definitely feel that it's there. I guess because it opens out while it's in your vagina, so it's bigger than a tampon would be, and I'm not used to that. It does feel a little bit bizarre, not gonna lie. I'm gonna see how I get on with this throughout the day. I will check in with you and see how we go, see if we have any leaks, see how the comfortability rating is. But right now, I don't mind it. It was just a little bit messy popping it in. Okay, so I was planning on wearing this for 12 hours. I have had to take it out. Don't worry, I've obviously washed it. But I did leak after 2 hours. I will backtrack and say that, you know how I said when I first popped this in, it felt like a balloon and I could feel it? That feeling completely disappeared after about 5 minutes and I couldn't feel anything at all. I also had concerns that this pulley thing might be kind of uncomfortable, but it wasn't. Couldn't feel a thing. It was very comfortable. It was working brilliantly. I was going about my day, everything was great, and then, like I said, about 2 hours in, I leaked. So I thought maybe I just haven't put this in right. I'll take it out, I'll try again. And when I went to take this out, guys, when I say I couldn't get it out, it was a struggle. I had to sumo squat for one. It was kind of difficult. Like, it does have this Yankee thing, but obviously, like, I could only really get one finger to it because it was so high up. So I kind of just had to pull on this bit, and in doing so, I've like hurt my vag. I've like scraped the inside of my vagina because this was not coming out. When I say this did not want to come out, like, it was staying there. I was kind of worried for a second because I have no one to help me get this out. I kind of just pulled it, and then I thought, you know what, this isn't going to come out if I just pull it alone. So I pushed it out. I actually had to use my muscles and push this thing out and pull it at the same time, and it eventually did come out. I will say this rim around the top really hurt when I pulled it out. I have never ever seen a bad review on a menstrual cup before. Every review that I've personally seen is of people saying that they're really easy to use and great, and so I was thinking, oh brilliant, I didn't even think that it would be difficult to get out. But I don't know if I've just got particularly strong vaginal muscles, but it was this rim at the top, like I said. It just really hurt when I pulled it out. And when I did pull this out, bearing in mind that these are supposed to hold 12 hours worth of blood, it was half full. It was literally up to here after 2 hours, so this would not have held 12 hours of blood for me. I am having a particularly heavy flow day, but there's just no way, like, it would have overflowed. So I poured it down the toilet like you're supposed to do. And it was actually quite weird. I've never actually seen my period blood like that before. It's mad to think that that just like, whoa, comes out of you, just chucking it about. But yeah, I did contemplate putting this back in and trying again with it, but honestly guys, my bits are a little bit sore now, not gonna lie, so I don't wanna put this back in because just getting it out was a little bit painful. I am so sad that I haven't got on with this. I do want to try it again in the future. If any of you guys have got tips on how to use these, or you use them yourself and you like them, please let me know. Let me know if you think that I've done anything wrong or if I could do anything better to try and make this work for me, because I love the concept of it, and like I said, I know so many people who get on brilliantly with these. This is their smallest one as well. Flow wise, I could have done with a bigger one, but geez, can you imagine trying to get a bigger one out? That wouldn't have worked. This is definitely the right size for me, but like, I don't know. Oh, also, because it creates a suction thing when it goes inside, when you pull it out, the suction like comes off and it pops. It's the weirdest thing. Also, if you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm probably just going to put this down now. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and follow me on Instagram if you want to see like makeup looks and outfits and stuff. And be sure to give the video a cheeky little thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye!